Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer and welcome back to the welcome back to Venice Gone Wild. In our last episode, our time as president of the Unholy Axis came to an end. Of course, before that, we managed to declare two wars, one against the Korean Directorate, who is currently inferior but not pathetic, and another war versus the Aztecs, who were superior and are now equivalent. We're still at war with Papal States. We'll get to them, don't worry. Yeah, we figured, we got the presidency, might as well declare a total of 4 different wars. Right. We have positive war score. It's fairly low. We've been beating on the Aztecs stuff pretty thoroughly, mostly with the help of the Teutonic Order and the Iroquois and stuff. We did lose a battleship. Our main, what's his name? Silvestro Contarini is now a level 5 Gale Speed Fleet Logistician. He's pretty awesome. Now, at this point, we really don't need to worry too much about ship upkeep, but there you go. Almost all of our minerals are gone again, of course. It's just the way I work. I decided to rebuild, in addition to the ships that I built, I decided to rebuild, where are they? Three Corvettes, just to be some damage dealers. So there is that. We should probably. So we've got a point defense battleship and a point defense destroyer or 2 on their way. Oh, and actually, yeah, and a point defense cruiser. I forgot about that. So Venezia, what are you doing? Yep. Yeah, so you gotta, okay. So there's that. So we do have reinforcements on the way. At some point, we're also going to have to heal up. And we did lose Yatru. This place is occupied. But that's where most of our negative war score is coming from. Hopefully we'll turn that around. At some point, I may even train up some psi-warriors, just out of curiosity. What does that look like if we do that? Probably have to do it... Where's a place where we would have some strong folks? Trow, what do you got? Russians. Are you strong? No, you're not. Are you strong? No, you're not. We had some strong dudes. I don't remember where, though. Tendrakians? No. Charismatic and nomadic. Everybody's so happy to be here because of their neighbors. That's kind of funny. Between our the Venetians and the Tendrakians, they're just so happy. So happy. So what I'm looking for now is some strong folks. Hey, British, are you strong? No, you're not. I know I had some. Where are you leading to? Kumalada. Well, good luck with that. Negroponte, what do you got? Nope, still nobody strong. Got some intelligent people, but no strong people. Okay. No, we have French. That's right. I think I made the French strong. Okay, so here's the question. Where are they? They're up here. Over here in Kosk. Assuming they didn't all leave, right? Oh, no, it's mostly French. Interesting. Armies. Recruit. Defense Army. Assault Army French. I have psi-warriors, don't I? Yeah, I do. Armies. So they do have defense armies. Recruit. Well, they would at least be strong. That's something. I can't afford more than one of them at this point, actually. So we'll have to do that later when we have more. But yeah, we may do that. We may just build a big old pile of assault armies and then go after the Aztecs. Although I think I made them strong too. Eek. Yeah, true. How many armies you got? You have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. But they're Finnish. Why are they Finns? Finns are not strong. In fact, I made them weak. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, well, keep that in mind. I don't remember how to... Actually, I've never made psi armies, so I'm gonna have to get on that. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's try to blow up... What is this? The... Who are they? There's a name to this. The third battle group. Let's see what happens. One of the things that I think is happening is that they appear to be... Oh, no. They're coming to us. They appear to be a warp species, which means that when they arrive,
fleet engaged.
They sort of sit around for a minute to recover. Whereas I don't think we do that. Yeah, we're already firing. Oh, they're gonna lose that so hard. Look at that furball. You can't even see it. And I think they're gone.
Updated.
And that's worth, whoa, that's worth some war score. Look at that. We're up to 14 war score. What was that worth on its own? Oh, it doesn't show. Doesn't show. It's all from space battles. Who all is here? Transport fleet. Do we take down the transport fleet? Maybe. We're gonna get all of this debris. We're gonna totally go over all that. It's gonna be great. Now, where's the transport fleet? It's actually hard to see with all the stacks over there. We're not gonna worry about them. Instead,
research complete.
Let's go to Beskal. Let's push into their territory. And then, I was gonna say let's, start destroying starports. That's what we should do. Ooh, synchronized defenses. Station modifier. Fire rate plus 25%. Weapons damage plus 25%. Okay. Okay, we'll do that. New research. Planetary power grid. We'll get that eventually. 0-point power. That's a huge one. I think it's time to finish phase disruptors. And maybe even plasma throwers at some point. Let's be sure. Okay, that's gonna take forever. We'll get it back. X-ray lasers is gonna take a while, but no. X-ray lasers are awesome, but let's get phase disruptors. So good. Only 4 months on that one too, so good to go. So let's start destroying some of their infrastructure. Specifically, I want to start destroying star bases. Hopefully, our allies come along with us. I would be tempted to finish...
System survey complete.
I would be tempted to go and repair, but I just don't think it's going to be worth it. Construction ship. Bronca, where are you? We're there. And we do have some resources. Not too many. Build a research station. Okay. And then that's been done. Okay, how did this fight go? They didn't shoot at all. Oh my goodness, that's horrible. What happened here was that they jumped right on top of us, and there was nothing they could do. I think like a raider survived or something. I don't know what happened there. So first fleet. Actually, are you finished? No, I don't know. I'm not going to send a single destroyer out. Okay. What do you got? Okay, that is a... Yeah, they have just utility type ships. Let's attack that.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
And here we go.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Nice. Bye-bye, spaceport. It's not going to be nice knowing you. To be completely honest. Okay. Okay, who died? Governor Wilberto Contarini. Can you tell me where that was? Oh, Negroponte. Oh, that's actually a big deal. Well, I know where some of my influence is going. Planets. Great Green East. Yes. Let's get someone who does... Well, we currently have them on industrial, but they're doing fine on industrial. We'll switch these guys over to research. We'll start collecting just a little bit from them. Yeah, we'll get 16 minerals from them. Let's give them a leader. Any availables? No. Recruit. What do we got? Ooh, environmental engineer. How big is that going to be? Is that going to be a big deal? Chojia. Negroponte. No. I just don't think that environmental engineers are going to be a big deal here. Where are we? Nafplio. No. It looks like you're just going to get an eager one. He's just going to increase your stuff a little bit, just sort of in a general way. Yeah, we're not doing Iron Fist. We're just not. Let's get a level 2 eager guy. 33.5. Let's do it. Governor Eggnog. I mean, Ethog. Let's do it. And then Paros. How's Paros doing? Even like a sector? Even doing anything? Oh, this is Tornado. Yeah. Where is Paros sector? I don't know. We'll deal with it later. Okay, so second fleet is destroying stuff. These fleets... Okay, so that spaceport is still going. Oh, so is Corfu. Corfu, finish up. Okay, everybody go to Venice, just to be there. Alright. Now let's watch the utter destruction of this lovely little, Did we lose anybody? No. Okay, spaceport down. Nope. Okay. Leader died. We dealt with that. Lepanto has finished construction. Fleet? You're never gonna catch him. He's never gonna do anything worthwhile. Yeah, we got transport fleets, but that's fine. Do you have a starport? Yes, you do. Go kill a starport. The thousands of scientists and advisors we sent to Skarenvak have finally completed the arduous task of bringing the local civilization up to an early space age level of technology. Under their new unified government, the aliens now style themselves as the Genosian Imperial States, and they have agreed to become our vassals. Our observation post above their homeworld has been dismantled, as per the conditions of our treaty with them. This is a great day. Our vassals entered war. Our vassal has entered war. Our vassal has entered war. Hang on. And that's what I thought. So we have a mixed system here. Okay. Yeah, it's hash marky. Now, what does that say about Verona? Yeah, okay. Now, that means actually that we have to communicate with you guys. You like us a little bit. How can we aid the reign of Jacopo Donato? Interesting. Okay. Well, let's see if we can offer a trade deal. Let's do migration access. They don't have migration access. Okay. Let's go back. Who are these people? They are hegemonic imperialists. Okay. Fanatic collectivist militarist. Interesting times. So they don't really like us at this point. Let's yank us an embassy. Teutonic Order. Hey. Oh, we already don't have an embassy with you. Okay. Big Blue Blob. Recall embassy. It saddens us to lose the thing. Yes, I know. We'll be fine. Don't you worry. We'll also be back with an embassy at some point. So let's establish an embassy with this guy. Greetings. There you go. Let's offer them a trade deal, if for no other reason than to get rid of some of our money. Instant transfer. How about, like... 1,000 gold. How's that sound? Do you want 1,000 gold? Well, let's make it 1,000. Make it 1,000, exactly. There we go. Confirm. I should make them like us a little bit. They would actually dislike us if we were not charismatic. Fun times. So we will pull them in. We'll suck them in at some point soon. We're up to 17% war score. And our troops are doing this. Okay, subject enters war. There you go. After much deliberation, Emperor Hitak has decided to accept your trade proposal. Yeah, I give you 1,000 ducats. Of course you accepted it.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Oops.
Construction
Blow up a
complete.
few extra things that aren't really worth anything.
Special project complete.
The Tassergoid. Sweet, we got it. 1 specimen's collected. Society research gained. 250. All of the specimens asked for by the Museum of Exobiology have been secured. The museum has grown to a massive facility where artificial gravity generators and atmospheric processors are used to simulate the environments. Simulate the environments of over a dozen worlds. Visitors are journeying from all across the serene Republic of Venice to see its wonders. So that gives us a lot of influence, well, a little bit of influence, a bunch of energy credits, 500, and a bunch of society research. And here's the thing. That's the real reason. It's the real reason we went to war with these guys. Am I right? I just wanted that Tassergoid. It was just staring at me. Like, what are you doing? Are you ever going to do this? Come on, what are you doing? Now, Cassini, why don't you come and assist research? Just until we have something better for you to do. We gotta, oh man, we gotta pick up that debris sometime.
Construction complete.
Blow that up. Get to Venice. Thank you. What's this? Inactive buildings, Sabinico, and Spiral. Yeah. That happens. Okay. Where's this battle group? Hostile fleet. Is it here? Yeah, it is. You sent a 54 power fleet into that system. I don't know why, but you did. Lots of debris. Lots of debris. Oh my goodness, look at this stack.
Research complete.
It's a stack o' stacks. And here we go, phase disruptors. I will make up a new design utilizing them. In the off times, off camera, or whatever it's called. You don't really need better power plants at this point. Ooh, energy weapon attack speed though. That's really good. We use energy weapons a lot. Is this a blue tech? I don't think it is. By which I mean like one of the repeatable techs. Or do we want to go for plasma throwers? They're just not that great. How long is this going to take? 51 months. You know what? Never mind. Let's finish off some plasma throwers. That might... It's 18 months. That might get us some new options for some things. Okay. Let's let my fleets do what they're going to do. Xeno researchers on Lajkut have published an open letter demanding that the local legislation restricting experiments on near-sentient alien species be relaxed. And either we ignore the pompous Poindexters. Society out... Oh, okay. Society output minus 20% on that planet. You know what? We're going to ignore them this time.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah. Mostly I'm keeping an eye on what's going on out here. Got a transport fleet there. That's fine.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Whoa, what's this? Oh, mining station. Poor mining station. You just kind of got in the way. Oh, too bad. Poor mining station. Never, you know, never had a chance. I don't know. What's this continental world like? It's not bad. It's 21. We'll have to settle that at some point. Okay, construction ships. Do your thing, man. Oh, actually, Da Vinci? No. Branca, you're closer. Come up to Castan and do this. Build observation post. And then there's another one. Is it Endure? And then build observation post. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Da Vinci, do me some stuff. Specifically, I don't know. Give me some... Wow, that's a lot of mining stations. Give me some mining stations over here, will you? Thank you. Okay, all these fleets are in Venice. Wait. Well, that's a science ship. Oh, yeah, of course. Merge up, and then we'll sort of slowly move you up to where you're supposed to be.
Construction complete.
Finished construction. Okay, cool.
System survey complete.
Didn't lose anybody. We got a little bit of damage. Morano's still building a battleship, so that's kind of nice. 21% war score. Do we go straight after their capital? I think we do. Now, they're now inferior. Their fleet power is inferior. Okay, so let's just finish this war. This is going to be the most dangerous war. We will do that. Come on, merge up. Thank you. Now come on over to Menok. Enter orbit. Enter orbit there. We'll move you up slowly. What do we got? British Republic declares war on Papal States. That's not ideal. I kind of wanted him. Don't make me declare war. Oh shoot, I can't. Huh. Well, at least we know what order this is going to go in, don't we? We're going to go after the Papal States next.
Construction complete.
Hydrobius. Interesting. Anything there? Nope. Let's go just straight after the capital.
Research complete.
Governor Severio Tron has leveled up. Good. Good. Ah, sweet. Leader enhancement. Unlocks policy. Let's figure out what that means. Psionic Army. There we go. Oh, that's what it was. Psi-warriors. That's an attachment, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh, I think we have to, even though... Yeah, tile blockers would be awfully nice and take not very much time. I think we have to. 40 months? Let's do it. Psionic Army. What else would we do, right? I mean, come on.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Oh, wow. And immediately we're engaged in a hostile fleet. Oh, it's because we jumped right on top of their station. We're gonna destroy their station, but still.
Situation log updated.
In fact, we destroyed their station before our reinforcements jumped in. In fact, because we did that, and because of what the station was doing, they didn't even get caught in the crossfire there. And I think that's their primary spaceport
Hostile
going away.
fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Spaceport gone. And now we're gonna take out this little 50 power
Situation
ship.
log updated.
Poor ship never had a chance. Oh. Okay, 24%, huh? How's their fleet? Inferior. Okay. So what does that mean that we want to do? I think we just start blowing up yeah, let's blow up another starport or two. They got 2 in this system. Actually, do they have more in this system? Starports are great because for 2 reasons. 1, well, 3 reasons really. 1, they're worth war score. 2, they are worth what's it called? They disrupt the ability for them to rebuild their navy, which is kind of a big deal. And then also they are usually defending a planet, and if you can beat the crap out of a planet and get some more score that way, that's awful nice. So let's go destroy a couple starports, spaceports, whatever. See what we can do.
System survey
Here
complete.
they come. What system is that? Propus. Where is that? Oh wow, we're almost done with this sector over here. That's interesting. Or that section. Oh yeah.
Hostile
This is gonna get
fleet
ugly.
engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
They're using lasers. Interesting. Oh, they gotta take out this little mining station. Poor mining station. No. Ooh, our other battleship is nearly done. Okay, what'd we get? Nothing really that special.
Construction complete.
It's 27% war score. And there we go. We have a new battleship done. You're gonna go over to here. Join up with these guys. When you're done with that, we'll send that group out to do some, to help with the damage.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Oh, mining station, no. No. Poor mining station. Yeah, it's sending out missiles. That's not going very well for it.
Hostile fleet engaged.
And spaceport, finish it off. Oh, what's this? The Byzantine Republic declared war on the Kraxraz Confederacy. Where is that? Byzantines. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, that figures. That pulls in the Ming, right? Yep. That pulls in the Ming because they were allied. Okay, that's fine. The Byzantines are going to be huge. Well, they already are huge. They're going to be frightening. Who's this? Okay, it's a science vessel.
System survey complete.
And Schiaparelli's finally done.
Situation log updated.
Okay. 30% war score. Everything else is going to be probably a combination of... We're probably going to destroy... Well, no. Let's just see what we can get from not occupying. I always forget the word. From blockading some of their bigger planets, you know? Like this one. It's a nice tropical world. Oh, well. They haven't even cleared their stuff. Man, bad AI. Bad AI. Clear your tile blockers. And then maybe we go after these guys. Oh, no, that's a crap world. Never mind. But, yeah, I think we're going to do that next time. I'll figure out what to do with Schiaparelli. They need to do something, right? Hopefully they're able to actually get home. Without going through, you know, Aztec territory. If I tell you to move here, what do? You go through Korean territory. What if I tell you to go... Oh. What if I tell you to go here? Yeah, go there. Enter orbit. That is a little safer looking. Yes. Okay, so second fleet is board. We'll have them destroy a couple more things and begin the blockade stuff. How about this one? Oh, are these fins? Oh, hey, these are fins. Interesting. On an arid world. Interesting. Yeah, so I think we'll do that in the next episode. Until then, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I did. I really did. It's kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time. And I don't even think we'll be done with our wars by the time the Iroquois are, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you next time.